Music. Hey, it's us again.
Rusty cray, yeah, yeah, pizza, it's the pizza, yeah, for you and me.
Welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video with Alani. Today we're gonna be making pizza, flatbread pizza. Here's our ingredients. We're about to run it down for you. Hey.
Baby spinach.
Baby spinach. What's that?
We got the pizza crust.
The pizza and pizza. Isn't that a building? Pizza?
Leaning Tower pizza, yeah.
What else we got?
Italian cheese. 6 cheese blend.
Damn.
Double cheddar, 2 cheese blend. Mozzarella.
Oh wait, we got some mozzarella too.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Mozzarella balls.
What else is that? The garlic. The diced diced tomatoes.
Some mushrooms. Sauce because we saucy. Period.
And the seasonings.
You know, not just the salt and pepper.
Yeah.
We gotta get it, you know.
On and popping.
Yeah. And then some olive oil. Oh, and we have some shrimp too that we're about to peel and clean. Guys, so we about to put the shrimp in. We seasoned it already. We put some, what we put? Lorry's, pepper, obey, paprika, garlic. That's it? I think that's it. What else? And some olive oil in the pan. We just seasoned it up. Just put whatever seasonings you like, you know?
We'll put some seasonings.
Yeah. Don't just put no pepper and salt, you know? That's not gonna do it. That's just not gonna do it.
You at least need Lorry's, obey, something.
Oh, we put adobo.
Yeah.
That's what we put too. But it's lit. We're just gonna let this cook. And then after, we gonna just, you know.
Give me some scrimps.
Just give me some scrimps.
I wonder who it is. Little Berry.
You want pizza? We got extra pizza.
Oh yeah.
No way, bro.
This day and age.
In this day and age of the Rona.
I'm scared of Rona.
Should we just all eat this one because the 3 of them?
And just save it.
Yeah. Yeah, Barry, we changed. We're just gonna do this one. Don't worry. Open that
I
one.
already sliced it.
Oh.
I'm gonna go in there. I can do it.
We've been shopping all day, low key, but we just now started. Why you needed to go food shopping?
Y'all ain't even say that.
I know. Just me just now saying why you need to go food shopping. I'm like, damn, we should have told you that we were going food shopping.
We'll go tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's cool, bro.
They
It's cool, bro.
No, listen.
Barry.
Oh, very sad.
Want cheese crackers?
You gonna eat that? Banana?
I don't know cheese cracker.
Charcuteries.
Alright. Where you so
I
sad?
feel like we're missing stuff.
Oh, give me some food.
Oh, we're gonna need a can opener for that.
I forgot me the thin and crisp. This shit like a cracker.
It's like one big community
Probably
cracker.
want a cracker.
I'm good. Need some red wine.
Oh, we got the wine.
You always got wine.
It really is like a tortilla.
It's gonna be good though.
Thanks.
Some petite tomatoes. Girl, you eat mushrooms?
Which side do it supposed to be on?
Whatever side you want.
Hey, America. This how this shit goes. I feel like I'm on this show, the talk show.
You are.
No.
This is
I think y'all
show.
need to flip y'all.
For real?
Why? Look at this side.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Mary, it's supposed to be this.
It's supposed to be like this, and we're gonna put the sauce. The sauce is gonna go like.
It's supposed to be flat. This is the bottom. Bottom's always flat. You just mad because you don't know. What y'all think? Up or down?
They can't see.
Up or down?
Come on.
Alright, what other thing do we need?
We need sauce.
What
Mary,
sauce
do you want?
I want to mix that sauce with this sauce. I'm gonna mix it once I pour it a little bit.
What's
I just want
the
a little bit.
ingredients like?
This one is creamy basil Alfredo.
That color on my pizza sauce.
Alright.
You want bread?
You going Pizza Hut? You did not do it right.
Alright, show me how you supposed to do it. Show me. Yeah, this is my sauce.
My sauce.
I'm so
This is my dressing. Cheap for cheap.
God bless you.
If having a bet was a crime, I'll be
Is that mushrooms in here?
No, that's the little thingies.
I need to get the edges though. Oh, look at Barry. He's a chef hat. Ratatouille.
Johnson and Wales finally.
He got a rat under his door. We're gonna play Wildin' Out.
Wow.
That looks good, friend. I'm not sure if Barry hers. Nah, it really look like you're making a good old pizza, Barry.
Mine feels like a big toaster strudel. Can you pour a little bit of that sauce in here? Or like a little dollop.
I don't want to do it. Oh, man. Mozzarella balls. Why is it liquid?
Balls.
Why
It's
is
some
it
mozzarella
lit?
ball juice.
I don't want this shit.
Why?
I want mozzarella first. You want Italian? Alright, let's just your pizza about to be done.
Look, I only got a little piece.
Okay, so. Alright, I'm gonna take this double cheddar and just sprinkle
That's
over
how you're
the-
supposed to sprinkle that thing. You're just supposed to sprinkle that thing on it. Not too much. You know what I'm saying? Just sprinkle that thing.
You know what I mean?
Just get it on there. You don't want to make it. You know, some folks like it. You know what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
You know what I
You know,
mean?
you can't have it too cheesy in only one spot. It gotta be cheesy
Everywhere.
It just can't be cheesy right there and right here. It gotta be cheesy right there, and right there. You get some of the other cheese.
Which one?
The cheese that's in your hand.
My hand.
No, in Shelly's.
Oh,
Sorry.
I think I want some more sauce.
Oh.
Let me put cheese on my crust. Cheesy crust.
Ooh.
What you doing with that?
I think
No?
everybody does
No. They ain't up on that.
You gotta switch the cheese. Now you know what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
That's what I'm saying. You don't understand, so you don't know.
Comment down below if you know what he's saying.
If you know.
Cause I don't know.
Y'all gonna want some of my pizza.
Nah, y'all gonna want my pizza. Ooh, who makes the best pizza? Now I'm making this a challenge.
You make the best pizza.
Can I have some balls? Did you just eat that?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
And from the beginning.
I think my pizza would be the best.
No.
Your pizza look cool, but it look like a regular pizza.
Are you gonna put spinach on it?
Yeah.
No, berry.
Oh, berry.
Yeah. Y'all wanted me to say no so bad.
Yeah.
Like berry. You're gonna put spinach. How can you not put spinach berry?
How much cheese you got?
Who, me?
Oh, I do have a little bit of cheese, huh? I'm gonna put some more, don't worry.
I just need pasta.
Nice and cheesy. Here, potatoes. Potatoes.
You just want that one.
Are you? You trying to be? What? Can y'all see his
Culinary
I don't think we can even
expertise.
see his pizza.
Culinary expertise.
He think this is a real competition.
Stop hating me.
I am. Just a little bit.
I told you my shit was gonna be
It indeed is lavish.
Fuck you told me. Oh, when I put them scrump on there. Like my hoodies.
This looks so good. Pass me a spatch. Oh, and the mushrooms. I think my pizza looked the best.
You think so?
Somebody, it looks like you're like making a masterpiece too. Like I see what you're trying to do here.
Wow.
Look at those shrimp. I wish I could see. Yo.
He put in the shrimp juice. That
That's
must
gonna
be
be
mad
good.
good. Save me some shrimp juice.
Some of these.
Make some mushrooms.
I took way too much spinach. I forget.
They like, damn. I wonder what type of pizza this nigga making down here.
Who's saying that?
America.
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 I ain't even got no what's the name. Good.
Nay. I'm done.
Come here, everybody. I'll be so mad.
No, I got you.
You know, I know how they look.
Oh,
Look what we have here.
oh, oh, oh. Oh. Meanwhile, Barry at the door. Let me go open the door.
Wait, and here's baby.
Damn.
What you think?
Get it here.
Bon appetit.
1. Ooh. Mm-hmm. 2.
Y'all should look better than mine.
Or I think yours look pretty good though. 3. Which one? Which one? Comment down below which one you would eat. The pizza is done.
Design.
Done.
We should watch.
Cut it. We don't know what to watch.
They can't even see your head.
I was showing the pizza. Let me cover my edges.
Juiciness.
Oh.
Ooh, you gotta hold that thing.
Oh. Oh.
Look at this thing.
Oh. That thing slid away.
Oh, is it? Oh, I bought it from Costco's. Hopefully it can.
And we got some wine. We're about to watch a movie. That's the secret ingredient. It's good. Dang, I can't even grab it. Good.
I'm dripping from my mouth. Take it out there.
It's good. Good. We about to watch a movie.
Bon appetit.
Introduce pizza. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite pizza, which one you would eat. And I'll see you in the next video.